Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the sky, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your team, even if that ain't what it seems. It's one time for the underdog. It's one time for the underdog.
A young nigga with a dollar and a dream, and these Nikes on my feet, trying to stay about the streets. So I'm rhyming, pulling 187s all on these beats, instead of on the concrete, submitting my future while they were focused on what they cheap. But shit, I'm like a cheap head honcho. Tell me that it's impossible, I give it to you pronto. Be working all these late nights and these early mornings like Alonzo. So one day they'll be calling me great, just call me Gonzo. But I'm never acting, nor is anybody pulling strings. Everything I have came from sacrificing everything. I traded working 9 to 5 for the minimum, for working non-stop, so my life be like a cinema screen. But in the end, I wouldn't have it any other way. Got on my knees and for this rap to work is what I prayed. And that was happening, crunching numbers like Captain, a serial killer, compelling listeners with this passion for words. Never acting my verbs, but truly fashion to serve not only masses but curves, not just the hood but the birds. Know you hear it every time I grace the mic, then I give it to God, feeling blinded by the lights in this song.
Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the skies, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your team, even if that ain't what it seems. It's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
20-year-old dreaming of whipping Monte Carlos and gold jewelry, looking like I came from El Dorado. Pick up the pen and pad.
Man, I'm stressed out. Where the booze be? I need a brewski, something that soothes me. Little bit of liquid to kick harder than Bruce Lee's. Loosely, too free, so I grab a loose leaf. Everyone's like, who's he? Guess I'll give a news brief. The name's Pharaoh, bitch, I think it's time you recognize I'm the type of person that'll eat all of your extra fries. Hungry, but I exercise. Getting big, I'm next to rise. Yeah, seems I just got up on this elevator. Now all the previous haters are asking me for the favors, but I leave them at the bottom, headed for the top floor. But before I make it there, I got a lot more. When I get there, I'll be careful for those mop floors, cause the janitor's the one with keys to lock doors. I am careful where I step, I don't burn bridges, cause I've learned in this that you gotta earn riches. I don't care about you, I don't care about you, so why you care about me? Why you care about me? I don't care what you do, I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams. I don't care about you, I don't care about you, so why you care about me? Why you care about me? I don't care what you do, I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams. Only dreams are what I'm chasing. It seems that what I'm facing is a scheme that only green is what it seems from expectations. What I need's the best creations. There are no limitations, only limits are the minutes. Counting down your next vacation. My vacation's in my basement. Never take a day off, cause everybody knows it when you put in work it pays off. The trade-off is those who think it's coming at a day's cost. It's gonna be some years before you even start to take off. Breaks off, this rap shit is a game and it's the playoffs. Don't play soft, I gotta slide at every beat like Adolf Hitler.